Hey everybody, I wanted to make this video in lieu of the virus that's going around. We've changed some things with our cleaning program and I wanted to go over them with you. A lot of our customers are still wanting me to come out, and that's fine. I appreciate that, and we actually continuing to stay in business and support the family, but we have changed a few things that I wanted everybody to know so that you feel comfortable in having me at your home. First of all, we wanted to make sure that everybody that is going to be on the schedule obviously doesn't have any symptoms or hasn't been in contact with anyone that has had symptoms of the virus. Also, we're going to be maintaining the distance, that 6 feet that they're recommending when I am in the home. We wear gloves throughout the entire job. A fresh pair of gloves gets put on before we start the job. And every hour we are changing our gloves and we're sanitizing, self-sanitizing through the jobs. Usually they're only an hour and a half or 2 hours, but sometimes I'm in your guys' home for, the other day I had a job that was 5 hours, so I was changing my gloves every hour. We're also making a change regarding furniture moving so that for several different reasons. I've been needing to stop moving furniture anyway, just because I'm getting older and my back is, I'm not 25 anymore. But I want to be touching as little as possible, especially right now in the home, for your safety and mine. Also, the time efficiency. When I have to move a lot of big furniture, it ends up doubling or even tripling the time on the job sometimes. And then the liability issue, just not only for your furniture, but for us physically. And then after each job, we are sanitizing every piece of equipment that goes into the home. This is adding a little bit to the job, but that's after I close down. So you guys can be comfortable that every piece of equipment that I'm going to bring into the home is going to be sanitized from the job before. And we use a product called Benefect. It's a hospital grade disinfectant. So it's a real healthy, it's very, very expensive, but it's a very healthy, very effective disinfectant. So just wanted to make sure you guys knew this, that we can still continue doing business. The governor the other day of Arizona said that the numbers with the virus do not suggest that we have to be on lockdown like some of the other states, and that as long as we are maintaining our distance, that's about all that we're having to watch out for here. And with it getting into summer, the weather's starting to warm up, that's going to work on our side as well, because the virus doesn't like heat. So just wanted to give you guys this update, and I look forward to seeing you guys.